Alright, so hurricane I come down and as usual we have guests in our cabin. So when it was buried by them two yellow thing here, just strap down the solar panel them, so I try to see if it work. So what I plan for do now is from one end strap it over to the other end. Might have to wrap the two end one them, so that's the thing now slide down half it, but that had the plan for now. Let's see if it can work. We just put the leather for go up there. Yeah, we have prepped the cabins. The only good thing about this time is through burial we had 3 cabins full. This time we only have 1 cabin with guests. So we have to try and see how best we can, If my panels keep, they will have power after the hurricane pass. But we try and keep the panel them first. So if you get the gist of what happened, we just run the ratchet strap right over, connect it to one side of the slab and then to the other side of the slab, ratchet it tight, and hopefully that can hold the panels on the roof. Remember, well, the panel is screwed down still, but let's see if if that not work. I give you the details me after the storm. So we just a try, Usually what happen, I the ladder stay because closer to the storm, I'm gonna take the starling from off of the roof and bring it down on the ground. That's what I did do the last time, so it not blow away. But yeah, we have 3 full tank of water, so hopefully that will hold us through the storm. The guest that is there, they check out on Tuesday, which is right after the storm. So let's go. We're sure we know it's a light I go gone. And so on, which usually happens anyway. So anyway, I try to beat the rain. Alright. So let's see if it work or it don't work. But it's the best we can do at this time. Over the cabin is what it is, let me say. Guess them part there, so closer to the time I'm gonna take up the last 2 chairs them on the pool deck and the dock way night. I move them and lock them in the pool room. And let's see what we do, how we fare with the storm. I mean, sky look pretty, some dark cloud over there, so, and around there, so. But the sky look pretty bright now. Every little now and then a shower rain come down and thing, but for the most part, yeah, from burial we are cut down all of the trees behind the cabin, so all of them trees they are good distance away from the cabin, so we don't have no risk of falling trees because we are cut down all of those from close to the cabin from in a burial. As you can see, that one there cut down and the rest of them they cut down. So we're kind of good with falling trees. Everything over there, so they're on the opposite side. If anything, them are going to fall. So no wonder this a fair earth. Hold on. One of the biggest challenges with hurricane is that after hurricane done, we don't have no power. And if we don't have no power, we don't have no water. Even though we have a tank, have a pump water. We have a pump system because the pressure, because we're up on top of the hill, the pressure not so good up here. So however, if we can manage to keep the solar panels, we will have, when once the sun hot, we can use a pump because we don't have power from the solar. It's not a it's not a fully off grid system. Um, so reason being is we actually need more panels. I think we have enough battery to store power, but we don't have enough panels. Why? One of the reasons why we don't have enough panels is because of the space. We don't have a space to put the panels. So around the back, we need to create a little platform where we can build up and around this and put some more panels around there. I may have to go up on top of the cabin. I never really want to go up on top of the cabins with no panels. So the next better to build up something around at the back where we can double the size of the panels, and hopefully that can make us charge the battery faster in order to have more stored power. Right now the system works, so if once the sun out, the system will come on and them will have power. But everything in the cabin work off of power. Electric stoves, the pump for pump the water, AC, fan, everything in the cabin have power. So the cabins, they take a lot of power. The fact that only one guest there here, that will help. And unlike Beryl, we had 3 cabins full, and you know, when the power come on in the day, everybody a cook, everybody a AC, everybody. So by 6 o'clock in the evening, we don't have no more power. So when night come, they not no power, but in the day, them have power. One guess, hopefully, um, that can serve them till a little bit in the night, or go up in the night somewhat. One of the troubling thing about that storm here, the pace at which it a move, at least barely move too fast. So by the next day, everything you can assess what damage and start work on getting things back to normal. This one I got linger over with for 3 days. Although them say I'm mostly water, the water not really trouble we on the hill, or the breeze, the wind that got trouble we on the hill. The wind that got trouble we on the hill. So everybody have them fair share. But we monitor it still, we try our best, you know, see what we can do, what we can protect, what we can button down and ride out the storm. So that's it for now. Carry through the storm and see. We just get some update as to what happened as usual while we go through the storm, alright? Alright, so Saturday now, storm will come. Pretty much locked down all we can do for now. So take off all of the pool deck chair them and the umbrella them. I'll try to pack them up down at the bottom. So what else? Put the duck underneath there, so ouch, the pump room. Take down the umbrella there. Boy, them string lights are gone, but now take down long, you know. If anything, put them up back and thing. So basically that is what I do. Take down the Starlink we will have. We'd have a little bracket at the side when we put it in when it was buried. I'll show you that. So you get the best signal out of this part when we put it at the end there. So but me did buy that bracket here one time, and what did that mean is it did too close, that caused problems. So you saw it close to the wall, to the cantilever, so That me did do in a barrel and left it this and it worked fine, so that I'm hurricane bracket for the Starlink. So yeah. Let's see. When I see not mate come. Across the hill still. Every now and then you get some showers. But watch it and see. I think at the east, that's where I go. I get it from at the south. So keeping you posted. So Sunday morning, October 26th around 11:15. This is where we are. Hurricane Melissa not really start yet, as you can see. Light rain, intermittent winds, small wind stuff though, not anything too dangerous or we can't deal with. Just a check in at the eye of the storm. I think our guests have left yesterday. Don't know if they might come back, but they drove out yesterday evening. As you can see, we have rain every now and then. Just a gear update as we stand right now, but I gotta get out of this. Every now and then this is how I get, probably every 20 minutes this come down, so I get out of here. Alright, but we in a Melissa, Hurricane Melissa. I just come pick some jelly after a tree because I know they might blow off by the time I'm done. So carry them in, I can have them for drink. More than on it, but see there, I carry them on there and come out of the arena now. Yeah guys, this is like probably 1% of what I expect, not true? Woo! 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 2 days what are this? Well, more than this. Muse over there, sir, where the new highway I go. And usually when it rain heavy, over there, so that just flood out like a big pond. That's where the road they go down. Right now, that little vicinity there, that be like a big pond. I wonder what happen when the rain touch you now, because we are get rain from over there and that saturated. So with all of the road there and a spit down water and everything, I expect over there stuff to flood out, but me will make you know. But yeah, this is it. Start get some nice rain now. Alright, I keep it posted.